Hi, Sumit. Uh, I welcome you as our esteemed speaker for AI Test Fest on behalf of Agile Testing Alliance and AI Test Fest organizing team. Thank you so much for being our esteemed speaker. Without any further delay, could you please introduce yourself so that this talk will go on?
Thanks, Abhay. Thanks, ATA, and uh, myself, Sumit Mundhada. I work as a test automation professional, and I am AI ML practitioner. I work for cutting edge technology product in terms of automation, and also, I try to talk about some of my experiences through conferences and different forum. Well, that's about me.
Okay. That's nice, short and sweet. So, without any further delay, can you please tell us about your topic? What you are going to talk and how it is aligned with our theme of this AI Test Fest? And how's your experience as a speaker as you speak in a lot of conferences? So, how this talk will be different from the your previous one?
Yeah, I mean, see, this talk is all about, again, it's matching to the theme of artificial intelligence and machine learning. That's what I see as a conference theme. My topic is all about AI agents, like how we can use AI agent in terms of redefining the overall quality engineering for the future. So in this particular topic, I'm going to talk about overall rise in terms of AI agent. We'll be talking about different types of AI agent. A lot of time people get confused and they want to understand how AI agent and agentic AI is different. So we'll talk about those things, best practices, and of course, as everyone will be looking forward to understand some of the use cases in quality engineering, which can be uh, developed around AI agents. So I will be more than happy to talk about that. So that's about my topic, and as the theme goes, artificial intelligence. So we'll be also covering up that as well.
That seems interesting to attend. And how do you see this future of AI and AI era, or we can say AI edge? Like I know you since 7 8 years in GTR. So on different topics, you have presented your talks. So currently in the market, AI is a buzz. Previously, something else were the buzz. So how do you see down the line 5 years? How do you see that this AI will stay or something else would be coming and that would be the age and we will be doing the conference on that particular thing after 5 years?
Ah, well, see, I particularly believe AI is redefining all our software development life cycle. I mean, it's not only limited to any testing, and also it is not limited to any particular industry. So its impact is everywhere. We are on that technology transformation. Okay, and it's a game changer. Okay, the only thing is with all the technology how it comes, whether you talk about automation a few years decade or today artificial intelligence, it's all about how you rightly explore it, how you use the best practices around it, and by understanding and having a holistic picture of it. If you use technology, now it could be anything like artificial intelligence, then it is there to help you out for your overall day-to-day activity and for overall technology transformation. So I think when I see about AI transformation, uh, I don't feel it's a buzzword. I feel that it is there. We are in that era of artificial intelligence. It has already started, simplifying, improvising a lot of area where we are already working into. The only thing is sometimes, the way people use it, okay, maybe they take the conclusion or a decision very quickly rather than understanding the holistic picture, architecture, best practices, and which I have seen people studying where to use what, right? So people want to use AI. Everyone is looking forward to use AI. Sometimes people commit mistake when they don't know which is the best way and methodology, right? So yeah, I think if that is one of the area if we cover, I think yeah, AI is here to help us and give us chance to explore more into the area where we are best having the skill set of.
Okay, that's so nice. Well articulated answer. So now we have talked a lot about technical things. Now I'm coming on some personal thing, like how do you manage your work as well as your this participation in conferences? As I see you, you participate in many conferences as a speaker. And secondly, one more thing, that what all are your hobbies? So apart from work, how do you manage this conference thing? And what do you like to do after work hours, on weekends, like that?
All right, all right. Maybe I will go with the last question first. After work hour, I like to spend my time watching cricket, playing sports, cricket or any other sport, right? So, yeah, and that's another side of me. Like I really like to play sports and watch the sports because you get a lot of learning out of it in your day-to-day job, in your personal and professional things, right? That's what I do, Abhay. And apart from that, when you ask like how you manage these things like conferences and work, well, I think it's all about two things which I believe is one kind of a passion, right? I mean, you have a passion, so passion is making you move, right? You're not stopping because every time you feel that okay, there is something is coming, I want to go there. I mean, I like to share knowledge. I like to keep learning and talk about it because I believe in that kind of a learning way where it's kind of collaborative learning, okay, to name it. And I believe in it, right? I really feel that from others experience you can quickly learn, right? And that's how I also learn, right? So that passion drives me and that's where I am able to do this. So uh, you get that energy out of it. Second is all about the environment you create around you. Sometimes that drives you, right? So I'm doing this since many years. Sometimes I feel now in these years like no, it's like environment is driving me, right? Because I'm doing this for many forums, many conferences, and many time for many people, right? So now sometimes even if I feel that okay, I don't want to do it, sometimes that environment is there wherein people are coming me that can you do it, or maybe it's like you are doing it because you have that environment, right? So and that's where I believe that if you try to associate with such kind of a people, such kind of a forum like the way we have Agile Testing Alliance, then that you have actually came to somewhere where now that institutional or organizational will drive you, that will become your motivation, right? So yeah, I always try to surround myself with such kind of an individuals, organizations, forums where that current is there, that learning is there, that hunger is there, and then rest I no need to do anything. I mean, I know I'm into the right hands.
Nice, nice, very nice. So that's it about the speaker interview series. Wishing you all the very best on behalf of AI Test Fest organizing team and ATA. Let's catch up on 22nd March at Nagarro Burgaon Hive, and eagerly waiting to attend your session. Kiss.
Thank you so much, Abhay. Thank you, ATA. Thank you so much.